In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two buttons side by side in Mailchimp. This particular task can be approached in different ways depending on whether you're using the new builder or the legacy builder in Mailchimp. Let's dive into how you can achieve this using the legacy builder. First things first, you'll want to start with selecting a two-column template. This type of template is specifically designed to help you create layouts that allow various elements to sit side by side. Essentially, this layout is perfect for our goal of placing two buttons next to each other. On the interface, look for a template that clearly indicates it's divided into two columns. Selecting this will set the stage for your side-by-side buttons. Once you have your two-column template ready, it's time to add the button blocks. Mailchimp provides a straightforward way to do this. You'll want to find the button content block in your options. It's an interactive block that can be easily dragged and dropped into your workspace. Take one button block and drop it into the first column. Then, repeat the process for the second column by dragging another button block into it. This placement is key to achieving that side-by-side appearance. Next, we need to make sure these buttons are visually aligned together. You can do this by adjusting the button alignment settings. Access the settings for each button by clicking on them. There, you'll find options that allow you to tweak how each button appears in its respective column. Here, precision is your friend. Align each button within its column so they create a cohesive look when viewed together. You want them to look balanced, which enhances the overall aesthetic and usability of your email. Keep in mind a critical characteristic of the legacy builder. Button blocks tend to stack vertically by default. So, if you tried to simply add buttons without using a two-column template, they'd end up one on top of the other, rather than neatly side by side. This is why selecting that two-column layout at the start is so pivotal. It physically divides your template to ensure that elements like buttons can naturally be placed next to each other. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a dynamic layout with two buttons side by side in Mailchimp's legacy builder. This not only improves the visual impact of your emails, but also enhances functionality, making it easier for recipients to interact with the content you're presenting. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you feel confident to implement this feature in your future email campaigns. Thanks for joining, and happy building!